living in this town where there's nothing much around. It's a slow drain. I swore I'd take nothing more than a suitcase, pocket full of change, and a Greyhound ticket to the Silver State. And bright lights on a desert plain.
Everything okay?
Here's one more for the leaving, one more for the road, one more before I blow this town and run from what I know. You won't see me crawling back here, so wipe that smile off your face. I'm gonna plant my dreams to watch them grow in that red desert rain. I can see that stain line up on the horizon. Like a horse running wild, I'm laughing like a child, call it freedom. Blackjack, double down, working girls all around. Upper class, no class, what happens here stays here. I'm small town walking through a ghost town. Here's one